Let our ski adventures begin in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. We cooked up some breakfast sausage and some eggs, which Green Bee Explorer put a lot of spices in. We're gonna have some banana and coffee for breakfast this morning. And then we'll be getting ready with our GoPros, so there'll be videos using our GoPro. It's slight flurries this morning. It's a bit too cold to be sitting out on the deck to drink our coffee. The gondola is already running. Breakfast is ready. Day one of skiing in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Using my GoPro. So this is the skinny little trail from our condo, because we have a ski in, ski out. I am doing French fries. She's back there saying I'm doing pizza. I'm just going really slow because it's really skinny. Uh-oh. I'm good. Oh, I gotta do a hairpin turn down here. But it's beautiful out, sunny. It's 30 some degrees at the bottom and about 16 degrees at the top. I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh my goodness, there's moose. There's a mama moose and a baby. So there's a mama moose and a baby in the woods. We're skiing down the little trail from our condo. Ski in, ski out. It's like 30 some degrees at the bottom here, and it's about 16 degrees at the top. The one thing you wouldn't want to do is upset that mama moose. They can become very violent very quickly. So I'm going to very quietly ski past her down on the other side here because she's in the middle. She started to look up at me and I'm looking at her, and then found out very quickly you cannot ski on leaves. Of course I fell already. Don't hit me.
Are you okay?
Yes. Oh, you're not gonna... Hold on. Got myself at a weird angle. You know what? I don't have my... Hold on. Hold on. All right.
Put your clothes in front of you.
Pull harder. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to work out more for sure.
Well, maybe you should be leading in case you fall again. Go.
Yeah.
Half mile an hour.
Yeah, I'm not even on the ski slopes and I already fell. I'm pre-gaming on my falling skills. We're skiing down to catch the gondola up. This will be our first trail on our first day. It's Sunday, March 16th. Beautiful bluebird day. I'm going to be doing Buddy's Run by myself. It's a blue while they go down the Black Diamond. My ski buddies are more adventurous than I am, especially on the first day of skiing. And being that it's Sunday, all the families with the kids are out. I'm watching for all the kiddos. And the hot doggers. So today, it's a very nice bluebird day. It's about 30-some degrees at the bottom. It's supposed to be 16 degrees at the top, but I was skiing without my gloves for the first couple of trails. I finally put like a little pair of fleece ones on. As you can see, it's kind of crowded, because my hands did get a little bit cold on the lift, but it certainly doesn't feel like it's in the teens. Now it might have warmed up. I think it's around 10:30 or so. I'm not sure what time it is in the morning. I am a bit of a lazy skier. I take my time, especially on the first day, first runs. No reason to go wild and hurt myself. Oh, people are skiing in the trees over there. They come out of the trees. So I'm going to meet them down the lift. And then later, we'll be meeting the rest of the Thunderbird Ski Club, for whoever wants to meet up for lunch. We're going to meet up at the lodge kind of early, at 11:30. We ate a big breakfast. I don't know if I'm going to be hungry that early in the morning before lunch. This is nice. Beautiful groomer, fresh powder. You know, I didn't read that sign back there. I hope I'm still on Buddy's Run. I just realized that. I'm like, oh, there was the trail split, but I think I'm probably good. how wide these trails are. They're beautiful. All right, I'm going to stop for a second. I'm going down Rainbow, which is another blue, and I'm going to meet up with the Thunderbirds to have lunch at the Mid Lodge. Doing first run on the first day at Steamboat Springs. It's a sunny bluebird day. I am filming with my GoPro, but I also want to get a little bit with my regular camera. I'm going to be meeting up with my group. They took Black Diamond Trails and I took a blue run down, so I got to catch up with them. The gondola coming up, and there is a Black Diamond Trail that goes down right between those trees under the gondola, all full of moguls. I will not be going on that. Oh, let me try to steady my camera. I finally decided to go in for a lunch, but I'm a bit too late to meet up with the Thunderbirds. I got the golden lamb curry for lunch. I was going to share this with Green Bay Explorer, but she decided to eat her snacks that she had in her jacket and keep skiing. And I'm out on the deck. It's beautiful today. A family needed a table to sit at, so I invited them to sit with me, so there was 5 of us all together. It was nice to listen to the live music for a minute. I'm on a green traverse. Right ahead of me there is Ski Patrol. Hope she, I think it's a guy. Hope he's not going to go get somebody. There's a valley down there. Ah, the sun's peeking out again. It was a bit cloudy for a little bit. So I'm kind of heading over here. There's a bunch of blue runs over here. That's what I'm looking forward to.
I wonder if that's a different moose.
I can't tell from here in the video, but I can see her sitting there,
Yeah.
right straight down there in front of us. Yep, there. You're
Oh, the baby?
No.
Oh,
but-
just mama.
yeah,
Yeah.
baby might be right in front of her. You just can't tell. But
Maybe. That's true.
you can walk down there.
Barefoot?
Oh.
Yeah, let's go pet
Oh
the
my
moose.
gosh.
Let's go pet the moose.
Yeah. The trick is staying behind a tree. Oh my god, it's so cool.
So right here at our condo is moose scat. And there's two moose down there. Well, they're both laying down. One right there and then one right there. And then over there is our condo mate taking pictures. And over here, people are still skiing.
Try not to step in moose poop and
Yes, don't get moose poop. That place is going to be so busy for St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. And this is where we are going to have dinner tonight. It is a barbecue place, even though it's called the Ice House. An espresso martini.
Side salad here?
Yes, thank you. And look what just came. Ribs and a side salad.
those ribs look great.
And over here is all of my sauces. Our other entree was the brisket with macaroni and cheese. I saw this in the women's bathroom and had to laugh. Thanks for watching.